That golden retriever caught a soap bubble without popping it. Most people can't do that. The reason isn't skill. It's breeding. Golden retrievers were bred for a soft mouth, so they can carry an egg without cracking it. A soap bubble on his muzzle shows how precise that gentleness really is, then a sneeze pops it. That's an involuntary reflex. He didn't choose it. His body just reacted. He looks around, confused, as if asking where the bubble went. But here's the thing, a dog can be gentle enough to hold a soap bubble, but not gentle enough to stop a sneeze. Even perfect control has limits.